see a Mini.
Saw them, did you?
The shape of that Mini is
Oh yeah. Cool.
compared to a normal.
Cool. Where are the fast ones?
Look how clean they are.
Wow.
Beneath this black here.
Where are the fast ones?
But if it's a low number, then it's probably pretty close.
Wow. Is this one though? Some of the cars on the driver's sides are on the American sides.
Now, if the driver's names are on the window,
Are they?
so you'll see. I can film this one coming down now if it comes down. Yeah, come on. Look at the screen. He's a 101 last year.
Is he?
He's the top driver.
Cool.
And Peter Solberg is the one in front of him. He's another world class.
Cool.
They're in a different country every month.
Are they?
doing these. I'm glad you filmed him because that's the most important one. Can you film him coming out? Can you zoom in?
No, probably not.
Can you zoom in?
No. Sadly not on this one. Maybe on the 5 when it comes out, but...
Throw it down a bit more.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's coming. Is that him coming out?
You don't mind if I put it on
Do you
YouTube?
see the flag next to his name?
Oh yeah.
What country is that?
I can't tell.
Finland.
Oh,
He's from Finland.
cool.
And Peter Solberg is from Sweden.
Yeah. Nice.
And where are these two from?
Italy.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad we're seeing him because he's the most important person.
When can we see the fast ones?
Just this one.
Are they? Can we get a good view so I can get a good picture?
He's French.
Cool. German one in front, Toyota
What makes this
Yaris.
colour?
Citroen. This one's the Toyota Yaris.
He's German.
Yeah. Should we get to the fast ones before we start driving off?
That's an old one, isn't it? That car is 1980.
Wow.
Glenn.
It's a Porsche 106 racing. Same as Matthew's car.
Yeah.
Except that's style 1, Matthew's got style 2.
Carlos Sainz, and he's Spanish.
Cool.
This is a Mini here.
Wow.
No, Vectra, I mean, an old one.
Cool.
1985.
Wow. These three. Don't know what's through there. When are they actually going to start racing?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
They're only lining up here for the official start.
When are they going to actually drive? Today?
7 o'clock they're going on the way.
Well, it's a lot quicker just going with my iPhone down here.
Are there any more further down? Or not?
Can't see really.
I don't think there's much down here.
No.
You can't see much there, but it's not right. You need to zoom it, go past them as they can. Point to the car now. Get him in, get him in.
Can you get in a bit further?
Thanks.
No, it's further. Well done, Chris. How are you enjoying the body, man?
I think they are racing against the clock down here. I didn't think they'd be doing that.
I got one speeding up for doing a wheel spin. Like a really good one. This video is quite long, so it's going to take a long time to get onto YouTube. Annoyingly. Oh well.
More racing cars, yeah?
Oh, that's just broken. This one's just
I did not say for the only bit there is.
Oh, he wants to get a picture. Ready? Away we go. Here we go. Ready? Oh, I think your dad want to take him there. I want to bloody go to Santa Claus. Look.
Yeah. Should we go back to our bikes now?